women's wings, press representatives, all stakeholders to the inaugural session of the National Seminar, 75 years of the Sixth Schedule, Unresolved Issues and Challenges, the Way Forward. This seminar is to commemorate the Karbi Anlam Day that we are going to celebrate on the 17th of November. Today and tomorrow, we delve into the unique strength and provisions of the Sixth Schedule that empower us. Yes, we are here to explore upon the intricacies of this constitutional safeguard, understand its significance, and discuss on its impact on the region's socio-economic, socio-political development of our space, also pertaining to unresolved issues and challenges. Together, we explore and shed light on the strength and potential of the Sixth Schedule. Thank you everyone for sparing your precious time. I would now like to acknowledge the presence of our eminent dignitaries. First of all, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Honorable Chairman, Sri Sujo Rompan, Sir, Honorable Executive Member in charge Art and Culture. Next, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our Chief Guest, Mr. Sonal Mamchu, Ramon Magsaysay Awardee. Thank you, sir. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Professor Mahendra P. Rama, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, and Chief Economic Advisor in the Government of Sikkim. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Professor Samir Kumar Das, University of Calcutta, and former Vice Chancellor of the University of North Bangalore. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our pro-Vice Chancellor, Assam University, Difu Campus, Professor Sivashish Biswas. Thank you, sir. And Professor Guli Dhanaraju, Seminar Coordinator. Thank you. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our esteemed representatives of Karbi Cultural Society, Mr. Chandra Singh Gru, the President of Karbi Cultural Society, and along with him are the members of Karbi Cultural Society. We also would like to acknowledge the presence of representatives of Karbi Lameramai, the Vice President of Karbi Lameramai, Mrs. Karan Hansepi. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Kra and Kara representatives. Kra and Kara representatives. And Kara. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of the representatives of Chakma Autonomous Council. We have the chairman, Mohan Chakma, EN, Wonder Chakma, MDC, Hemanta Larma, and Amit Bayan Chakma. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of the students' organizations. Students' organizations, if we have here. We also have in our midst our Honorable Executive Member, Sri Villamohan Khatrari. We also have in our midst Mr. Chirin Dorji, who has been silently been there with Mr. Sonal Mamchu. Next, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our speakers and resource persons, Professor Jang Khongam Dongyan. Professor Jang Khongam Dongyan. Next we have Professor Jayanta Krishna Sharma. Professor Jayanta Krishna Sharma. Dr. Gaurti Chakraborty. Professor Cecil Wardon. Professor Raj Shekhar Basu. Our speakers for the colloquium, Shri Elvin Taran sir. He is with us online. Then Shri J.I. Kathar sir. Shri Holiram Deram sir. We also have the President of Karbi Language Development Board, Professor Nobin Taran. Seated next to him is the Vice President of ITSA, Shri Sikariti sir. We also have Mr. Jigmat Pajor, Coordinator, Lay Apex Body. Then we have in our midst Mustafa, Legal Advisor, Lay Apex Body. Then we have Dr. Moses Karbithai, assisting Mr. Sonal Momchuk's team. Then we have representatives from Karbi Farmers Association. Representatives from KNCA. Representatives of Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum. Faculty members of Assam University Dipu campus and Dipu Government College.
Lakukan.
I think this is all we have. If there is any, I would request our We also have Mr. Thongtaru, Carbiano Autonomous Council. We also have in our midst Professor Kakchang Idobarma. Professor Kakchang Idobarma. In the meantime, may I request everyone to silence their mobile. We also have in our midst Professor G. Singaya. Professor G. Singaya.
No one went there.